All right, guys, today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe. Okay, here I have a little bit of potatoes. They're not mashed potato. Well, they are mashed potatoes, but they don't have milk. They don't have none of that stuff. Okay, so it's just potato, a little bit of spread, and cornstarch. So I have another potato here. These potatoes I cooked yesterday for a recipe that I was tagged on Facebook. And guys, that recipe is coming to you guys soon. So I'm going to peel this potato. Guys, before I continue, this is quick and an easy meal. And this is called the collaboration. Just get it done. You could share cleaning, decorating, I mean, anything that you need to get done, okay? And this is hosted by the Life. But what I'm going to share with you is a quick and easy recipe. I mean, it's easy to peel the potatoes when they are just freshly boiled. These ones I boiled yesterday. I just got 2 more in the fridge. But since I'm only doing this for me, I only need 1 because my hubby is at work. I may even use the small frying pan as well. But we're going to, yeah, I'm only going to do 1. Want a piece of potato? So, okay. I'm going to add a little bit of bread. That's it. And also, you're going to need to add cornstarch. About a tablespoon, because that's going to help it mix together really good. I may have to heat it up in the microwave so the butter melts really good, or the spread melts really good, or maybe not. Let's see, I will let you know. Actually, I don't think I need to, I got my window open, guys. It's almost 50 degrees. And, you know, during the winter season, you have everything closed and everything gets stuffy. So what I do is I have my living room window open, about at least 4 inches wide. And I got the fan in the bathroom sucking air out, so the stuffiness comes out. All right, guys, I think that should do it. Let's see. My hands are clean, guys. And like I said, I'm only doing this for me. Yeah, this should do it. All right. Yeah, this should do it. All right, that's good. All right, let me, I'm going to look for my other pan because I'm only making 1, so I don't need a big pan. Hold on. And I'm going to move you guys to the stove over here. All right, I'm heating up a little bit of oil. I'm gonna use this small pan. Hopefully it's not too small. I think I'm going to do 2 small ones. I have plastic wrap here. I have never done this before. I figure, I mean, if I did the recipe that I did yesterday, this one will be as good as well. So basically I'm making like empanada, a potato empanada. I think this is way too small. Okay, I'm using a towel. This is clean. Hopefully this works. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I even think that you could even mix cheese in the mix. I'm going to do that on that one. I hope this comes out all right. And you guys know me, however it comes out, I'm going to share it with you guys. All right. Diamond, move! I'm telling you guys, she scares me. Ooh, child. You see that? Let me add a little bit of cheese in there and mix it together. See how it'll do. You could add salt, pepper. I didn't add none of that stuff because the less salt you eat, the better it is, I think. To me anyways. I don't care for salt, at least I have to. And guys, I'm going to leave the link to the host in the description box below so you guys can go and check her out. Okay. Oh, this time I did it nice and round. I like a lot of cheese, so I think I added way too much cheese on this one. Oh well. I want to turn this one around. I don't want it to burn. All right, this is done. Oh. Ah, that looks nice. All right, all right, all right. Oh yeah. Oh my God, guys, I am sweating. Look, I am extremely hot. I don't think my sugar is low. because my service dog is not next to me. I mean, he's staring at me from right over there. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to go check my sugar. Well, guys, I checked my sugar. My sugar is not low. It's actually normal. It's 116. And a normal sugar should be between 90. In my case, between 90 and 120. So it's 116, it's fine. I guess I'm just hot. And I actually have my heat off. I turn it off because it is way too hot. My heat's been off since yesterday. I guess it's menopause. It's hitting me late. A lot of people talk about hot flashes and all kinds of stuff, but unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, fortunately, I saw my last monthly friend when I was 34, 35. I'm in my mid-50s, and I don't know what it is, hot flashes and all that stuff. So, and yes, I do have all my organs. Because people be like, oh, so you must have a heterosexual. I don't know what you say, how you say it, but no, I have none of that. So I gotta count my lucky stars and thank God, because I hear it's awful. My mom is 80. My mom is 81, and she says she still goes through those things. Whew. Lord bless her heart. Oh, this one is with the cheese on it. Look, I got one here. I want to move it from this plate to another because I want you guys to be able to see it. And this it blends in, so. There you go. It goes nothing. It tastes delicious, but this one didn't have enough cheese. This one have cheese in the potato mix and inside, but this is delicious. Wow. Wow. Let's wait for that one to finish, guys. Well, guys, it is done. It's ready. Now that this one is a little bit manageable, I'm going to show you. It is delish. Oh. This is going to be my lunch. It is 2:46 p.m. I'm going to sit down and enjoy my potato empanadas. You want to call it? Yeah, potato cheese empanada. So I want to thank the host for hosting. She does this every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. Central Time. Guys, come and join us. All right, guys, I'm going to say like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bon appetit. Buen provecho. Manja. Bye.